Say hi everyone. Today we're gonna make little star soup. Yay! This is one of Cammie's favorites and the boys. So let's get started. Ooh, you're pretty. Okay guys, this is what you're gonna need for little star soup. Your oil, tomato sauce, your bouillon, garlic, onion, and garlic, salt, and garlic. And then your little stars. But you could do this with any of the shapes you want. Okay guys, so you just add a little oil to your pan or your pot. Whatever you're gonna use. I've been using this one for like 50 years. As you can see, it's all beat up. While the oil's heating up, I like to add just a couple pieces, like 3 slices of onion, like that. And once they get a little crispy, that's how you know your oil's nice and ready for your pasta to go in. So we're gonna put the pasta in there next. I learned that from Bird Martinez. Thanks girl, shout out. She has like an awesome YouTube channel, check her out. Okay, see the onion? Oh, got a little brown. I don't know why, but it really flavors the oil too. That's how you know, and then you pour in your pasta. Give it a little stir in there. You just want to fry it and get it lightly brown. Brown and toasty as you want, but that's about as brown as my kids like it. They don't like it too toasty. So once it starts getting about like that, let's add our water. I like to add about 4 cups of water. Ooh, if I use the whole pack, Camilla is trying to steal the show. Check out my can opener. This is like the coolest. Look at this. Okay, on top of the can. Oh, twist it. I got this from Pampered Chef like 100 years ago. See here those clicks? You use these little teeth right here and you pick it up like that. Well, it's supposed to come off easier. Hold on, cut. Like I was saying, twist it and then use the little teeth. Oh, look at that. You don't have to worry about this cutting you. I'm not flipping y'all off, you know. Maybe I am, who knows? Because it took it off like nice and smooth. Get yourself one. Okay, now we add our sauce. Sometimes I add a little ketchup in here, but I wanted to be a little bougie today and not show you guys that I'm probably gonna add that ketchup. It just makes it so good. All right, just because the kids said, you guys want ketchup in here? Yeah, Mom, put the ketchup in there. All right, you heard them. All right, so I put a little, like, circle around a couple times. It has a little vinegar in it and a little bit of sugar, and it just gives it, like, a really good flavor. You know, it's for the kid. Add our little garlic. I like a lot of garlic in mine, but it's for them, so they don't like a whole lot. All right, this is going to be kind of like how you do rice. Let it come to a boil, and then once it does, put your lid on it, turn it down to a simmer. You could leave your lid a little cracked. It's pasta, it's not rice. I'll show you the way. All right, once it starts boiling, put your lid on it and you can leave it kind of just like that. Turn it down a little to like medium low and let that go for about 20 minutes. You already know. Okay guys, so we're like 10 minutes in and this is what it looks like. See how the stars are kind of small. They're not all the way cooked through. You want them to be a little fatter, a little more plumped up, and a little more of the water should be. For the last 10 minutes, I like to take the lid off and let it simmer so that it can get rid of some of that excess water. We don't want it too juicy. The way that my son says he knows it's done is because the noodles are red. Sometimes if you don't cook it long enough, they're still white, but these have absorbed the juice, so I'd say we're done right there. That's about... It took about 30 minutes because I did the whole pack. And that's what it looks like. We like to put like a little bit of cheese on there. Little cilantro. Make it look pretty. And there you go. Hope you guys like it. And there you have it. That's the little star soup. That's Cammie's favorite. That's the boys' favorite. That's my favorite. And that's the whole's favorite. Oh! Thanks for cooking with us. Happy cooking!